Alright, gang, another day, back at it. We finna get back on the rims. Boom, this how they looking today. Yeah, black on black with it. All right, y'all, before I could paint the rim, I forgot I had one more lock that I needed to get off. This one right here. This is a new one. I already took that old lock off. I think I need to tighten this up. I didn't notice this was loose. Yeah, I need to tighten these wheels up. But anyways, I just took that lock off. Where's the old one? Here it is. Boom. And then the actual lug nut. Oh, I might have took it. Oh yeah, I did. I took it inside. But anyways, yeah. So I had to get the lock off because I had lost the key. But boom. This the new key. I have one more left that I need to put on the other side because the other side didn't even have a key on it. So boom. But yeah, this is what we had to do first before we could. I should have put all this in the back. I could just put it. We're just going right down the street. We're coming right back. Literally like 4 blocks away. I miss. Boom, boom, and boom. Boo, boo. All right, come on. Baby looking good. You had to go get some food real quick. I'll be back. The bolts for the the bolts for the bins, the silver bins over there, it's supposed to be in today. So if the bolts come in today, able to put the bolts back on there, do an oil change on the car. I already have the oil and stuff. Need the bolts. And then we'll detail the car again, slap a sign on it, and hopefully we can get rid of it. So yeah, we need that car gone. There's money I could be dumping into this car, or really I need to sell this car too. Since I messed it up, I'm gonna have to sell this one too. Anyways, I'm finna. So I just got this wheel off. There it is. Now we finna clean it up, prep it, get it ready for spray. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, my rims is nice when I clean them up like this. It's bittersweet that I'm painting them, but again, it's just plastic dip, so it should be able to come off when I hope. All right, now we're gonna hit it with the alcohol. Oh no, my rag. The war zone. What had me on this work out of this car. All right, I think it's ready for. Oh look, it's already starting to peel from my tire from the overspray. The tire is straight, just don't come off the rim. Y'all, I didn't even put no armor on. I didn't put no armor or anything on the tires. I just started spraying. So apparently you don't need to put armor on your tires. It'll come off without it. But hey, the tire looking good though. It's a little like orange peel a little, but it's not that bad. I think it looks pretty good. All right, we got the stuff. Now we're gonna start painting. All right, we finna start applying this to the rim. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Y'all, I miss having my concrete driveway like at the old house. I don't really like having this dirt driveway. It sucks. I wanna jack the car up and put it on jack stand. That way I can get the other wheel off. I don't know if I got enough room though. I guess I can try. Let me try. All right, gang, that's a wrap on that one. A wrap. Boom. How it's looking. All right, gang, so got the tire back over there. Now we gotta put it on. Oh my God, I just tore my rim. Look, y'all. Oh man, I just put a big scratch in there. Bruh, man. Y'all, I couldn't get the thick board underneath the car. It was too low, so I had to put that little board. Hopefully it doesn't mess. I gotta be quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. All right, we're finna hit it with the alcohol. Should be ready to. All right, we got one coat on there. I moved it too, so it's kind of in the sun, so it'll dry faster. At the same time, I'm still hitting this side up too. Man, I can't believe I put that chip in there. It looks so ugly. That one too. I should just peel that off, man. Leave that. Like, bruh. Oh, now. We're just making it worse. I'm trying to build up the coats on there so it'll come out a little bit. I don't know. I mean, people ain't really gonna get that close to it, but dang, I can see it. I don't like it. I can see it. Over there. Alright, I didn't get to vlog because my brother had called, but I got the tire back on there. We good to go. Put the key back. Don't want to lose the key for sure. Alright, let's drop the car. See what we looking like. Alright, that's a wrap. Now I need to clean my car. Boom. That's crazy. Now we got black rims. You feel me? Y'all, look what happened when I was at the car wash. Chipped the paint. The pressure from the gun chipped the paint. Dang. And I think this is overspray. See all that? Yeah, I think that's overspray. So we need to get that off as soon as we can. Anyways, man, we out of here. We finna go get some food. Again,